The next topic we have corrosion. Corrosion we have discussed many times in first chapter, also in second chapter. Now in third chapter we are again studying it. What do you mean by corrosion? We all know that whenever a brownish red color layer is formed on the iron articles, then that is called rust, and the whole process is known as corrosion. But here we are discussing three different elements, that is copper, silver, iron, as we have discussed in the first chapter also. So it is given here that silver articles become black. All of you knows that whenever corrosion on silver articles takes place, then what color takes place? That is a black color. After some times, when exposed to air and forms silver sulfide, then the process which is taken place and the article which is formed there, that is called silver sulfide. And on the copper articles, which color of layer is formed? Green color. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide in air and slowly loses its shining brown surface and gains a green coating. This green substance is copper carbonate. All of you knows that. Now the next we have iron. When exposed to air for a long time, acquires a coating of brownish red substance, that is called rust. And do you all of you knows the formula of rust, that is Fe2O3.XH2O. And the activity of iron nail is already explained in the chapter 1. You can read it from there. Okay. So now next we have prevention of corrosion. How can we prevent corrosion? All of you knows how you can prevent corrosion at your homes. If you want to protect your iron gates, like material, other articles of iron, so you will use the paint you can use there, other process galvanization you can use there. So prevention of corrosion, how can we prevent corrosion? Rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanization, anodizing, and making alloys. All these processes we have discussed. Paintings you know, oilings you know, greasing you know, galvanization we will discuss here, anodizing is already explained, and making alloys means when we are combining metals and non-metals, some new compounds are formed, and those new compounds are called alloys. Okay, so the next we have galvanization is a method of protection steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. In galvanization, which layer of coating we are doing here? Zinc. The galvanized article is protected against rusting even if the zinc coating is broken. Even then they are protective. So the next one we have alloying. Alloying is a very good method of improving the properties of a metal. For example, iron is the most widely used metal. All we know that iron is the most widely used metal, but it is never used in the pure state. We will not use it in pure state because iron is very soft. As we know that iron is the hardest element, but in the pure form it is a soft element and stretches easily when hot. Okay, but if it is mixed with small amount of carbon, it becomes hard and strong. When it is mixed with carbon, then it becomes hard and strong. When iron is mixed with nickel and chromium, this is the 1 mark question. So how we can get a stainless steel? So when iron is mixed with nickel and chromium, we get stainless steel. So there is a question of 1 mark that the stainless steel is an alloy of iron with nickel and chromium, iron with nickel and gallium, iron with nickel and germanium. So different options are there, so you have to choose the option iron is mixed with nickel and chromium. Okay, so that's why we can get stainless steel, which is a hard and does not rust. Okay students.